Now let's prepare for some multiple choice questions. Here is the one on relations and functions. The question is, if r of x equals to k represents a constant relation, then domain of relation is k, range of the relation is all real numbers, range of the relation is k, domain and range of the relation is all real numbers. F of x is not a function as it is one-to-many relation. So we are given 5 choices. Think about it and write down your answer. Here is how I will do it. It says if r of x equals to k. What does it really mean? Well, it's also written there very clearly. If r of x equals to k represents a constant relation, right? So it is a constant relation. That means basically the value of r of x, let's say this is our r of x, and that is independent variable x, is k. So that means for any value of x in the domain of real numbers, r of x has got just one value, and that is k. So it's a horizontal line which has a y-intercept, or in this case the r-intercept at k. Do you understand? So if I say this is my y-axis represented by r of x, then y-intercept is at k, right? So that is how this relation is. Now this relation, as you see, is actually a many-to-one relation, because many values of x are associated with just one value of y, right? So this relation actually is many values with one. Okay, so this is a many-to-one relation, not one-to-many. So that is one thing which I wanted to make clear. It's a many-to-one relation. Now the question is it a function or not, right? It is indeed a function, since if you draw a vertical line, it cuts only at one point. So it is a function. Now this function has domain of all real numbers. So here the domain is x belongs to real numbers, and the range is just one value, and that is k. So that is what this function is. Now let's look into the choices. It says domain of the relation is k. No, domain is all real numbers. Range of the relation is all real numbers. That's incorrect. Range is just k. Range of the relation is k. That's the correct statement, right? Let's read the others. Domain and range of the relation is all real numbers. That's incorrect. And f of x is not a function. It is a function, and it is not one-to-many relation. It is many-to-one relation. I hope with this example you clearly understand what a constant relation is and answer this kind of question. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.